It's the deal is so good, and the math, the interest rate is a negligible thing because you're not getting a 20% interest rate for 25 years.
I know. Yeah, it's a short-term debt. Like it's a bridge loan essentially, or it's a hard money loan. But that would $120,000 a year or whatever that was, $150K. We're right now only grossing like $115,000 on our gross operating income. I think we're at 9460 times 12, so that's $113,000. So we would have to lose money during that hold period, which I guess you've accounted for because you've raised more in that slush fund of junk fees.
Yep. So you raised this $550. You really need a total of $550 in debt. You could pay them 12% or you could pay them 15%. It doesn't matter. Whatever's easier to sell. And you've got people pegged at 13, so just give them 13. You need to raise a total of these two numbers. You need to raise $650, basically. What I think you said was it's a stretch.
Yes, however, my mindset, I know that I can get that in the next month. I can pop the pavement and make it happen.
Okay, so give me the critical dates. Let's look at that for a second. When did you execute the PSA, approximately?
We're about to execute the PSA. We're negotiating this final part of it.
Okay, so I'm going to call it, let's call it 8-5. When does your earnings go hard?
It's hard now. Like we're basically it's a non-refundable deposit to get this thing going for lawyer fees.
Okay. When do the sellers get you final doc?
In 15 days, the effective date.
And you don't have to come up with more down payment?
No.
Okay, so I'm just going to put that there. When do you close?
30 days. Let's see here. I'm looking at the PSA that I submitted. 30 days from the effective date.
And what day was that?
We don't have the effective date yet. We haven't signed it yet.
That, of course, yeah. Okay. So we close September 9. I'm raising 1.8 right now. I don't think I can take on another raise. Like I might, but I think it would be tough.
I can do this.
I do have, okay, just double checking. If we had more time, I could raise that, but I've got 3 different $600 in raises right now. So it would be confusing for our investors. Okay, so here's where I'm at, right? Roughly beginning of September, we close. We have a 12-month absorption, 12-month return of capital, and you're going to we've got this is confirmed. If this interest rate goes up to 6 or 7 or 8 to get rid of that prepayment penalty, it will not matter. We are going to have a tiny amount of actual equity, investor equity raised, just because of the nature of the transaction. How much have you dumped into this deal so far?
Just $2,500. Like, bones.
And Alex was saying, but I don't have the down payment. I don't have the down payment. And I'm like, there are so many ways you can do 0 down. Okay.
I know. Good. He's still learning the investor's mindset. He's an underwriter, as you know, and I'm trying to bring him along. And so he's just his own entity, his own LLC, and we're just like, I want to give him something for the deal, you know?
All right. So we raised $650 just to be easy. We pay everybody a 13% coupon at the end of the transaction. We may, if people want, they could get interest only payments every month, right? That could be $6,000 a month paid to everybody. We could do that if we wanted to. Again, I'm a big fan of simple, see the difference? That's a confusing number, right? That's hard to say. If you go 12, $5,500.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay. That makes sense.
That's why I'm like, you're making it harder by 15. Now this number is easy to say and it's enticing. But anyway, one way or the interest,
it's got to be something like intervals or whatever with the 12 versus the 13. That's interesting. I like that.
Yeah, just everybody just keep it simple, easy to tell, easy to sell. Then when we're done, assuming we sell this anywhere close to this price, and I did the math at $350 as well. So if we gave them a discount, look, it's a lot easier and more affordable for them, right? If we went down to $350, then we just simply change the equity multiple. As long as this number is a 1.25, you're going to be having investors clamor into this deal. But you're only going to give that to one person. One person's going to write a check for $100,000, and that's it, right?
I don't understand that
They
part of it. Why is only one of them that's going to get the equity multiplier?
because you'll run out of, you don't want to give everybody 125%. You want to give one person 125%, and then you want to give everybody else 12%.